I was writing a journal and I realized how much I love filming and editing and talking and like sharing my life generally. So I'm gonna start filming. I'm not gonna give me an excuse that I don't have camera or mic or any shit. Basically how I fold laundry is my long sleeves, I just hang it, and others I fold it. I've been dreaming bad dreams like every day, so I feel like my energy is just not there. By the way, I've been watching Sex and the City and it's so good. I've been binge watching. I haven't binge watched like a series after Peaky Blinders. I've been binge eating this thing. Rice snack. Singapore has the same thing, this one, and Korea has this thing, and it basically tastes the same. And then I've been buying so much, and I think I'm addicted to it. Like I've been eating so many. I've been eating like crazy a lot. Hi. I'm gonna start recording vlogs and videos, like really, because I got a mic. Even though I don't have a camera, maybe this might help because I do want to start. Let me see how to use this. Oh shit. My mom bought it because she saw that Cardi B uses this. A fun fact about me is that I used to study art. Right now I'm studying business, which is like a very big plot twist for me. This is the best concealer of my life. If someone asks me what's your best concealer, it will forever be a Tosem concealer. I'm gonna put it here. This is my go-to Laneige lip thingy. I kind of really think it'll rain, but I hope it doesn't. This is like in front of my house, so can you see the rain? So I'm waiting for my boyfriend to come, and he's like 20 minutes late. Actually, it's okay, but my ice cream is melting. That's why it's not okay. I really like to do crafts for my friend. I think not only my friend, my like love, that's one of my love language, I think. It's just an appreciation gift, so hope she likes it. It's freaking sour, everyone. This is not made for human. And this is calcium because I broke my ribs and I need it to be recovered, so I've been taking calcium. I don't really know, is it working? I hope so. Found this. It's my sketch. Oh, this is quite cute. Grass is always greener. The Midnight Library. I think I wrote and drew it when I read this book. I literally have the Korean one next to me. It is a really easy book. Everyone should read it. Hot Americano. By the way, Koreans usually drink ice Americano a lot, but I'm a very hot Americano person. Even though it's super hot, like the weather is super hot, I still drink a hot Americano. I think it's my habit because my parents do that. I use the AeroPresso to make coffee because that's the really compact way to make it, because my parents used to camp. They go to camping a lot in Korea. That was, okay, not nowadays, but they used to go to camping a lot in Korea. So my mom used to bring AeroPresso a lot. It's really handy. I definitely recommend everyone to use AeroPresso. Either you're going for camping or going out to make coffee, or like living alone like me and you don't really want to buy a coffee machine, so then I think AeroPresso is the best. And honestly, it tastes good. Usually I'm a person who don't really like a guidebook. I like to be creative, create my own way. But this is the really one of the time I wish there's a guidebook for what to do after uni graduate. I guess everyone is confused when they're graduating uni, right? It's not just me. I feel like being tourist. Never tried chaji before, so it's a virgin experience of chaji. 예쁘지? 이거 디올 따라하는 이거 뭐야? 어디다 넣어요? 뭐야 이거? 이상한데? 뽑아! 아. 먹을만하네. 근데 녹차 맛은 안 느껴져. 괜찮지? 되게 좀 리프레시하게 먹을만하네. 여행 유튜버 중에 되게 귀엽게 생긴 되게
인도 갔다 온 그 여자.
모르는지 아는지? 모르는지
이름이 모르는데.
유튜버 이름.
그 요즘에 붕어빵 파는.
아 걔네. 아니 그 포테이토 어쩌고저쩌고 돼 있잖아. 몰라. 근데
이게 버튼을 하면 이걸 하면 되는 거야.
그니까 버튼 말고 우리
우리 뭘로 하자. 왜냐면 별은 없어. 빈티지로 하자. 이거 다 빈티지인 것 같은데? 디지킹 아닌 것 같은데?
디스캠도 예뻐 보이나?
근데 막상 찍으면 아무도 디지킹으로 찍은 사람이 없어. 모르는 다 있어.
왜 찍는 거야?
돼?
응.
여기저기 꽤 많아. 내가 키위 다 먹는다고.
안 돼.
키위가 제일 위에
아, 나
있어.
줘 그럼.
야, 수박이랑 잘 어울리네.
그래? 나도 먹을래.
싫어. 또 키위야. 원래 피우구나. 지금 팔자에도 없는 플라키. 내가 싱가포르에서 이걸 타다니. 언젠간 이런 데서 일했으면 그래도 좋겠다. JP 모건이네. 언젠간 저런 데서라도 일했으면 좋겠다.
저런 데서.
지금 예쁜 거 같아.
Slow down, you crazy child. You're so ambitious for a juvenile. But then if you're so smart, tell me, why are you still so afraid? Where's the fire? What's the hurry about? You better cool it off before you burn it out. You got so much to do and only so many hours in a day.